Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I use date as a substitute for sugar in my puff puff. So this is like a healthier version. If you don't want to use sugar, you can use date as a sweetener. So after blending the date, I am going to pour it out and put it in a strainer so I can filter the juice out to mix with the flour. Next, I'm going to warm some water and then pour my yeast in the water just to activate the yeast. When I pour the yeast in the water, I'm going to mix it together and set it aside for about 10 minutes. So now I have my strained dates. So now I'm going to pour that in the flour, and then after pouring that, I am going to mix it together and also mix the yeast as well.